Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share with you this really handy site for being able to pick color palettes for Python. So if you're working in Python and doing data visualization, this site is going to be really handy for choosing a color palette for your graphs. I'll link up the URL in the video description. Let's take a look at the site. So scrolling down, we can see a number of different graphs here, and they're currently on this palette Abbott. We can click on that and we get a whole lot of selections open up. So we can just scroll down them, but we've got a few other tools here that can be quite useful. For all of these, just clicking on the icon and clicking on it again opens and closes these. So we've got filters. We can filter by how many different colors we need in the palette. We can pick a target color, and we can also pick an activity, whether we want something that's sequential, diverging, qualitative, to be able to break up our particular visualization. The download button here gives us a few different options. So we can get the palette as an array of the different hashes of those colors. We can also get the Python code, so we can pull it out. In this case, here's Abbott, and we've just got the little copy code button there. We've got a filter here where we can filter for 3 different types of color blindness or visual challenges, and also the option of grayscale. The little present button will let us pick a random palette, so we hit that and it'll shuffle through and pick a random one. Also quite nice that we see the shuffling, so in amongst the shuffling you might also spot something you like. And the last one is the share button. Share button just gives us a URL to this particular palette. So if we want to share this with a friend or colleague, we can send them this URL and they can see this palette as well. So that's the color palette finder for Python. Really handy little tool if you're doing data visualization. Thanks for watching. I'll be back really soon with more videos on stats, AI, and random stuff.